Hello, this is Peter from First Maths, and today we're going to be investigating calendars. What resources do we need? Photocopies of calendars. You might need them, you might not. You will have to think. I have made a lot of copies within this video. Mental learning objective. Make and investigate a general statement about familiar numbers by finding examples that satisfy it. Mental learning task. Today we're going to start by looking at a problem first set in another lesson. Using the numbers 2, 2, 4, 4 and 6 and a grid 2 times 3, what is the highest score we could find by multiplying the neighbouring numbers and adding the products? Use the numbers 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6. Can you find the 120 score? Pause the video and solve the problem. Here comes the answer. The answers were here. By having the 6 and the 6 together, the 4 and the 4 together, and the 2 and the 2 together this way, you got 120. If you did it 2 and 2 this way, 6 and 6 this way, and the 4 and 4 this way, you got 112. Pause the video and have a look to see where and why there are so many differences. The mental learning task, putting high numbers next to each other, produced the highest score. Mental learning objective. Make and investigate a general statement about familiar numbers by finding examples that satisfy it. Main learning objective. Develop from explaining a generalized relationship in words to expressing it in a formula using letters as symbols. I can make generalizations and hypothesize about the outcome. This is the big idea of the day, so keep it in your head. Today we're going to find out different patterns in calendars. Sit in pairs. Give each pair a photocopy of the 3 consecutive months of the calendar. What did you notice about the numbers? Here they are. Have a look at them. What do you notice about the numbers in these calendars? Pause the video and discuss. What can you tell me about the numbers in each column? How far can you continue this sequences to? Pause the video and discuss when you look at the sequences in the columns. Let's look at the next slide. Can you find this array on your calendars? 16, 17, 23, 24. Here it is. 16, 17, 23, 24. Here it is. 16, 17, 23, 24. And here, 16, 17, 23, 24. Add the numbers at the opposite corners, so 16 plus 24 and 23 plus 17. Pause the video and tell your teacher what you discover. Does this happen for other square arrays of 4 numbers in the calendars? Why do you think this happens? Pause the video and explain. It works because 1 move to the right adds 1. 1 move down adds 7. Whatever number is at the top left, the values of the other numbers is always a fixed amount more. This is how it works out in mathematical terms. Turning the numbers into number, number plus 1, number plus 7, number plus 8. Give me any number to test this idea. Pause the video and complete the activity. This is how we write the sum using the word number to mean any number. Number plus 8 equals number plus 1 plus number plus 7. I can use n as a shorthand for number and rewrite the equation on the board. N plus 8 equals n plus 1 plus n plus 7. Simplification. Keep to addition of diagonals in a 2 times 2 array, or explore addition of diagonals in a 3 times 3 array. Provide a calendar page with arrays already drawn in, focusing on easier multiplications. Challenge to make it harder. Explore 2 times 4 arrays or 3 times 3 arrays. What rules apply in these cases? Main. Today we'll work individually. Investigate what happens if you multiply the opposite corners of an array. Can you use algebraic notation? Here is an interesting array. What do you notice about it? Pause the video and investigate these arrays. Main learning objective. Develop from explaining a generalized relationship in words to expressing it in a formula using letters as symbols. Plenary. Can you make any general statements that you can make about what you have discovered? What else would be worth exploring on a 2 times 2 or other kind of array? Pause the video and discuss. Homework. Try some of the ideas about what to explore in a 2 times 2 array. Review of key idea. I can make generalizations and hypothesize about the outcome. Did you learn this in today's lesson? Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell to be informed every time I upload a maths resource. Have a great day and I'll see you again soon. Bye.